Hello, hello. I hope you had an awesome Thanksgiving holiday. It was nice to have a good week-long break. Anyway, for this week, we are going to be learning about the digestive and the excretory systems. So we're learning about two systems this week. As always, you're going to do your warm-up question first thing, and then you will begin with your module. You will have your content notes. After your content notes, you're going to have your exit ticket. Remember, after your exit ticket, you're going to have some activities that will load right here. You're going to have multiple activities that are going to load. Then you're going to have your close. That's the one where you're reading about the digestive and the excretory systems. So go ahead and read through those and complete that activity. Then you're going to have your Google Slides presentation. You're going to be doing it over what we studied the week before Thanksgiving break, which was the integumentary system. So you're going to be doing your Google Slides presentation over the previous system that we learned about. After your Google Slides presentation, go on forward to your assessment. And then after your assessment, I know last week we did not have these activities, but this week you will have your activities after your assessment. Please do not forget to do those. After you complete all of the activities for your content of the week, you can go ahead and go on to your social and emotional. It's a super fun activity and you get to trim Santa's beard with different acts of kindness. And then after that, you're going to have your brain breaks. These are an awesome way to fill your time if you finish your module early. Anyway, guys, we hope you have an awesome week and please message us if you need any help. We are here to help you with anything.